Hey Keto Rebels, whether you're a back-to-school parent or a teen raiding that fridge, stop. I have a Mexican mini pizza that's gonna kick it out of the ballpark for you. It's low carb and it's too good to be keto. I'm using avocado oil because it gets hot without burning like me on a Friday night. Meat and seasoning, a power couple that never breaks up. A pound of ground beef, give it room to dance. Season while it's sizzling so it'll soak up every bit of spice. Add a little bit more of the tequila lime. Let's add in a little sugar-free taco seasoning and give her a mix. Muffins, the vehicle of dreams. Face down, toast first. That is some flavor insurance. Let's spray the backs of these with a little bit of our avocado oil, and then we are going to take some of our tequila lime and flavor these right on up. As these are getting toasted up, let's flip them over and smear on some of that green gold. Salsa verde, the green gold. First layer of cheese is gonna lock in the sauce, so we're gonna do a little bit layer of cheese and then some pico, some beef, and more cheese. Cheese, the headliner. Let's build them up. Let's add more cheese to the top. Strain your pico because we don't want soggy bread over here. Let's add pico for a party pop. The steam hug that melts faster than homework excuses. Using my spaceman knife, I'm about to cut up some cilantro just to sprinkle over the top of our food here. These are done, let's pull them off. Hot, cheesy, taco flavor. These are the perfect after-school bites. Let me know what you're gonna cook on your Blackstone for your after-school wild snacks. Tag me below, let me know.